So let's explore another feature of API management, that is how to document your API and how to create the developer portal. So by default, API management gives the developer portal. So this is the UI of developer portal. So you can customize your developer portal as per your requirement. Developer portal is the portal where any developer can get information about API. Like we have developer portal for Facebook, we have developer portal for Twitter. If we want to use Twitter API, so we can go into the Twitter developer portal and can explore their API documentation. So after publish this website, we can get the actual developer portal. So this is the actual developer portal after publishing our portal. So we can get all the information about the API. We have two APIs, demo and employee. In the demo API, we have a lot of operations. So it is showing all the operation, what are the different type of operation. Let's explore another feature of API management is API versioning. So sometimes customer may not want to update their application when the API changes. So in that case, versioning strategy become critical to implement. So versioning strategy or API versioning allow organization to allow their customer to use their new updated API based on their versions when they are ready. So I'll show you how to implement the API versioning in Azure API management. I have this employee API with one existing version. Now I am going to add another version of this API. Okay, so I have already test version of another API. So this is my new version of test API. Okay, so now I'm going to add another version. Here I can add another version of API. I'm saying this version as V1. And now I'm going to create the another version of API. So this new version of API is ready, but this is currently pointing to the old version of API. So now I'm going to change the URL so that it will point to new version of API. So in the settings, I need to go and update the new version of the API. So this is my new version of API. Let's copy the URL and paste it in new version of API. Let's explore another feature of Azure API management, which is API policies. So API policies are the very powerful capability of Azure API management, so that allows the publisher to change the behavior of API through configurations. So basically policies are the collection of statements that got executed sequentially on a request or response of an API. There are so many policies in Azure API management which we can implement over the request. So few are like we can check the HTTP header, we can limit call rate by subscription, we can restrict caller IPs, we can implement the auth to using validate JWT. There are so many advanced policies like mock response, retry, send request, wait. Authentication policies, we have authenticate with basic, with client certificate, managed identity. We have caching policies also. So let's try to implement one policy, that is restrict caller IP. So I have one API employee API, so this I want to restrict with a specific IP address. So here is the employee IP, and in the settings, in the design, I can go and I can add one. So let me check what is my IP address. This is my IP address. I'm going to restrict this. So let's check whether it is implemented or not. This is my URL. So now it got restricted to my IP. So now I'm getting the forbidden